In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Twitter handles on Axiom Trade. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now from here, if you want to add Twitter handles, you have two different options to do so. So the first one is to just go to trackers up here, and then you can start adding Twitter handles. So you want to click add Twitter handle over here. In case you see customized feed, click on Twitter alerts over here and click on add Twitter handles. From here, as you can see, it says Twitter handles you add will only be actively tracked if they appear in the top subscriptions list. You can add popular handles directly from the top subscriptions tab. So this is over here. Now, what you want to do to see your list, you can either go over here where you can go to top subscriptions and then basically just click this plus icon and it will get added to your list, or you can add your own. So if I want to, for example, add these first three over here, I go to my list. As you can see, I now have these over here. But if you want to add a custom handle, you can just click over here where it says add handle, and you can enter in your own username you would like to basically track. So for example, you can go to X and find any user. Let's just say you want to do, for example, Elon Musk or whatever you want to do. This is just an example. You want to copy their @ over here, which is their handle, and you want to go back to Axiom, enter that in, press add, and just like that, you've got them added. Now, you can of course hide tweets if you want to by clicking this button. You can hide profile updates, and then you can hide follows if you want to as well. And of course, you can always just remove them from list like this over here, or search by handles, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.